Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Draw Anime and importing your reference image so you can trace proportions accurately. Once done, set the canvas size and DPI, higher DPI for prints, lower for web. Make sure to pick a brush preset and tweak the pressure curve so your lines feel responsive. Then enable stabilizer if your hand shakes. These first concrete settings keep your workflow efficient and make subsequent line work and coloring predictable, so you can focus on composition instead of fighting the app. You now refine the sketch into clean lineart, reduce brush size for details, and work on a new layer above the sketch. Once the line layer is stable, create base color layers beneath and lock alpha so you paint within edges. Use clipping masks for shadows and highlights to preserve edges. Set shadows to multiply and highlights to screen or overlay. Also adjust layer opacity to blend. This organized layering approach speeds iteration and prevents accidental edits while preserving color fidelity. You finish by exporting. Choose PNG for final stills, PSD to preserve layers, or MP4/GIF for motion. Make sure the resolution and sRGB color profile match your destination. Trim extra transparent pixels to reduce file size. If you encounter banding, jagged lines, or missing layers, try rasterizing the troublesome layer, reapplying anti-aliasing, or exporting with a different compression setting. Finally, test the exported file on the target device so you can catch color shifts or scale issues before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.